Every mammal on this planet instinctively develops a natural equilibrium with the surrounding environment, but you humans do not.
Who are you?
It seems that you've been living two lives. One of these lives has a future, and one of them does not.
That won't happen.
There is another organism on this planet that follows the same pattern. Do you know what it is? A virus.
Something tells me I'm not going to want to hold anything back for this one.
What are you doing? What the hell are you doing?
You stubborn asshole.
Oh, shit!
Show me your moves! Falcon Punch! Blue Falcon! Falcon!
Who are you?
Why are you hounding me? Who sent you? Who sent you?